Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Robert and today I am bringing you to an unboxing for once. As you can see, there's not a lot, I'm not gonna lie. There's quite genuinely just like 3 things to go through in the end and maybe some stickers if we can spice things up possibly. But all we've got for this week is going to be my week 4 unboxing. We've then obviously got my item from week 1 with the accompanying items, and then we've just got something else that was nice that arrived that I already opened, but you know, it's something nice to show. Also, I do not know when I last wore this killer long sleeve. I don't think I've laughed like I did putting this on in a minute, because the last time I remember wearing this, like the sleeves were too short and it was feeling a bit like tight and such, and now I've put it on. Oh my god, it does not fit me at all. But as per norm, let me know down below whether or not your items from last week have arrived or not, what they were, what you got with them, whether or not they were stickers or anything. And yeah, that about covers it. So let's get straight into this. I know I'm not being dramatic when I say that if my joggers are here and this is like this, that's a lot. That is a lot compared to where my normal tees are. This feels absolutely massive. But anyway, let's jump straight into this unboxing. Yeah, I don't know, it just feels like that. I also feel like I'm not centered. Is that better? Maybe, I don't know. Anyway, these are the 2 packages. That's nice and easy. But what we can go through prior to that is just this. So, I mention it every now and again, but each year during Christmas time, during the festive season, in Boon's server, which is browser, one of the admins, mods, I don't know what you'd call him, but he's very hardworking basically, and his name is Peacocks. Peacocks basically runs every year a charity, is the easiest way to phrase it, which is basically Toys for Tots. That's a very small sticker for you to try and see. But Toys for Tots, basically you can donate and then he goes out to wherever in the end and buys as many toys as he possibly can with the money that's been donated, in order to give back to those who might not have a present at Christmas or might not have anything for Christmas. I've donated to it for a number of years now, purely because of the fact that realistically I can go without, you know, like 50 to 100 pounds. I can, and if it puts me out of getting something, or if I can't afford something for myself, you know, it's like womp womp, you know, it doesn't really matter, because it's probably something that I wouldn't have really necessarily needed at the end of the day, and it just goes to something so much better. So I always find that I just feel like no matter my situation, I need to do something to do with that, because it's just for a better cause in the end. What came with it first are just a couple of stickers, 2 being Boon with like $100 bills, as you do. He always sends stickers, and then 2 just browser, and then just a Toys for Tots sticker, and then just a pin and a keychain of browser in the end. Browser logos. And then the main thing was basically that each year he also runs a giveaway for a few items. Now in the past I've always said, don't send things, because of the pure fact that he's in America. Sending over here, shipping and such, I feel that it's not the fairest thing in the world. So I always say to try and re-roll or give it to someone else. You know, I'm fine with like a small envelope, I know that won't be the worst, but just anything larger, hold back because of shipping and such. I don't feel it's the fairest thing. But this year he was like, no, I'm not doing that. You know, as much as I said re-roll, pass it on, give it to someone else, he's too kind at the end of the day, he really is. And yeah, so they sent a mouse pad, which as you can tell is absolutely massive, but that's good, because then it means I've got 3 mouse pads now. I'll sit it behind me, that I can kind of rotate through and go through, which is a good thing, because it's better to have things clean and, you know, such. So let's go through the Supreme now aspect or portion of this. Oh, it's a clean bag. I mean, I'm sorry for the sound, but it's clean. Nice. Sorry for the sound. Right. But yeah, so first and foremost, sticker pack. I got rid of all my sticker packs not too long ago, so I don't know if I want to start collecting them again or not. That's going to be the straw. Okay, that is screaming to get out of the packaging. And then lastly, we have the actual item from week 1. It's going to be a pair of socks. which, to be honest, they look absolutely massive. Wow, I did not expect them to be that big. But that's a good thing at the end of the day, because my socks are all either like ankle or the lower ones, like the ones where you don't see them, so that's a good thing. Socks, yeah, there's nothing really special to it. So sticker pack, 2 stickers. So we've got one being the Futura and one being, I can't remember what that one is, but they're upside down, so you can see them at the end of the day. Oh, that side slip as well. It's going to do the same again, it's all good. And then we've got the silly straw, the Supreme silly straw. I always try and keep at least one, like, free gift from each season, even though I got rid of a load of them not too long ago. Same with my sticker packs. I think I ended up having 47 or 48 sticker packs overall that I had kept since I started buying from Supreme, and since they started doing sticker packs, I'd kept every single one, basically, or duplicates. And yeah, I counted up, there were like a lot of stickers. There were like 300 or 400 stickers overall because of how many were in the sticker packs. But yeah, so that's the free gift. I try and keep them. I've got the bouncy ball. I've still got like the poppy seeds. God, I've got so many, it's awful. So many that are out of date as well, because that happens. But yeah, there's the silly straw. And now we have the actual main item, which is going to be my week 4 package, which I'm going to need something, aren't I, to open this? Maybe not. Maybe we can brute it, possibly. No, I'll cut to it. Has Supreme changed like their tape or something for packaging? Because I swear this is so much easier than it used to be to open a package. The fact that I don't even need like scissors or anything like that anymore, that I can just do it. I mean, obviously it's a little bit of brute force at the end of the day, but you know what I mean. Like, so we've got another sticker pack. Okay, another week 1 sticker pack, which is going to be the same sticker as before, same long sticker as before, and then an immaculate, or 2 immaculate sitting behind it. So that's cool. Starting my collection again. Now we've got the main piece, which is going to be the toy machine webbing belt. That is making a noise and a half. There's genuinely, great. There's genuinely nothing to show you. Like, you can see the toy machine aspect there. That's about it. I'm wearing joggers, so there's no point in me getting it out to put on. But when I do wear it, at some point I will mention how it went and how it was, because it's just a belt at the end of the day. And yeah, I like that it says, you know, toy machine webbing belt, spring summer 24. I don't know what the A19 aspect stands for on that, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, that is basically going to cover it, my awful unboxing skills. But yeah, that is basically everything. I wish that I could have like a load of stuff to be like, wow, look at this, but I don't. And to be honest, I don't really feel a need to have a ton of things like that, because it doesn't feel like it'd be worth it at the end of the day. Especially when I've sized my collection down so much, like so drastically, it would feel like just not worth it to have like a load of things or a load of clothes and stuff like as an extra, because I've genuinely cleared out so much. Like, you look at things and you're like, will I wear this? Maybe, but yeah, this came from a point. I mean, what was this, 4" 18? God, if it's 4" 18, that's terrible. 4" 18, oh no, damn. So yeah, this is coming from a point where I think it didn't really fit me perfectly at the time, and that's probably why the sleeves moved up so much, purely because of the fact of that, you know, that I was a lot larger at the time and now I'm not. But the fact that this, I had difficulties wearing this at some point, and now I wear it and I'm like, oh my God, like genuinely, that hanging down like that much is, oh my God. Maybe it's the style for people, but for me, that's big. But anyway, that is going to cover this video, so thank you for watching. As like I said, if your items have arrived, let me know and what you're going to be doing with them. I know that a lot of people are fortunately able to resell some stuff nowadays. Like Palace, for instance, did pretty decently. I took an L, so, you know. But yeah, that's basically gonna cover it for me. So, as always, I do hope that you have a good rest of your day. I don't have anything else to say, so yeah, I will basically see you all next time. Peace.